If you live in a place other than Southern California, chances are you run into weather that keeps you from enjoying your porch, patio, or deck throughout the year. Virginia resident Joanne Gherkins wanted to get more enjoyment from her existing screened-in back porch, no matter the season or temperature. So she converted it into a sunroom with patio enclosures.
We literally spend all of our time out here in this room. Now that we have screens on these windows as well, it gives us the best of both worlds. We can open up, have the airflow, we can listen to the birds and the sounds of nature. The thing I love most is just watching the activity on the lake. During winter, you sit up here in your little bubble of glass and you look out over a winter wonderland. I am an avid gardener. I love plants, and so this room has given me a place, a safe haven for my plants during the winter months.
Sunrooms allow you to enjoy nature without actually being in nature. The glass and screen enclosure protects you and your space from insects, dust, yard debris, rain, and snow without sacrificing your view. Patio Enclosures sunrooms are completely customizable to complement the design of your home, budget, and lifestyle.
Once it was glassed in and became an actual room, then we could actually go buy nice furniture, and I was able to kind of bring in more of the designer fun parts of decorating a room. We wanted a sunroom that maximized windows. Patio Enclosures was able to make that dream come true for us. We see rainbows, we see beautiful sunsets, we even see sunrises.
Unlike renovating a kitchen or bathroom, adding a patio enclosure doesn't interfere with your day-to-day life, and it can be installed in as little as a few days. Whether you're looking to enclose an existing porch, patio, or deck, or add a brand new sunroom space, Patio Enclosures can help. They'll handle everything from design and permitting through installation and inspection.
The process working with the company was very, very simple. They were very good at communicating with us from day one. We couldn't have asked for it to happen any quicker and more seamless.
Sunrooms are an affordable option if you need more usable space. Homeowners use them for relaxing, entertaining, dining, exercising, working, and more. Pets enjoy the sunshine and fresh air just as much, if not more, than the people.
I can't tell you how many times customers send us photos of their pets lounging, basking in the sun, watching the squirrels. For those who are really looking for, stargazing and they want to have that glass ceiling, then a solarium is maybe a best choice for them. And for those customers who live in environments where it snows and rains and you've got 4 seasons, then having the glass enclosed room really helps them to control their climate and make their space really enjoyable. Our exclusive 3D visualizer and augmented reality app is on an iPad, and our design consultants bring that to each customer's home. The app really allows customers to play and design their perfect space. Patio Enclosures edge-to-edge advantage. It's most glass coverage that you can possibly get in a sunroom.
Patio Enclosures Comfort Guard Plus high-performance glass improves energy efficiency. The double-pane insulated glass retains more heat in the winter, keeping you warmer, and can reduce cooling costs by as much as 25% versus single-pane glass.
It has UV protection in there so that you can truly utilize your room and your space and sit in the sun without necessarily having the harmful UV rays hit your skin.
Single Patio Enclosures rooms are a permanent addition to your home. They use the highest quality materials for durability and longevity. Frames are resistant to scratching, chipping, peeling, and fading. Patio Enclosures offers a limited lifetime warranty, covering all manufactured products including glass, roof panels, framing, seals, and more for as long as you own your home.
Because a sunroom is typically an addition to your home that needs to be permitted, we have an entire engineering team dedicated to creating the drawings for each individual room that we utilize to send to the different permitting offices.
Patio Enclosures is proud to manufacture their own products right here in the USA at their Cleveland, Ohio plant. They offer a variety of financing options to help make your project more affordable and fit within your budget. Go to patioenclosures.com to see hundreds of photos of their work and to get inspiration for your project. Then schedule a free in-home estimate. Visit designingspaces.tv to learn more.